What an inverted DDT. This is his chance. Will he seize the moment? Kick on the mark.
This match grinded him down a little. He had to be prepared to take some damage tonight.
All right, let's get this thing going.
And we're here in Orlando, a breeding ground for many of the WWE's top superstars, thanks to the Performance Center. Breeding ground for great commentators, too, and he wants it one more time. Time bomb! Devastating. If you're just joining us, welcome to Monday Night Raw. I'm Michael Cole alongside Corey Graves and Byron Saxton. Oh, and a pulling down on the opponent. His offense is on point right now.
His offense is second to none at times like this.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap. Oh, impressive counter. Whoa, not so fast.
Drop kick.
Beautiful. Uh-oh.
An incredible range of emotions here. No one knows what's going to happen next. Whack!
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.